Hello ladies and gentlemen, Reti here. Let's quickly see this study from Reti 1928. So white is trying to win obviously, but if you're not, let's say, seeing a good continuation for white, then it might be even losing, yeah, if black promotes to e1. So the first move is, I think, quite simple, is to play bishop to f5 and give this square for the rook, yeah, which potentially can attack the pawns. So king goes to d6 or d8. So if you play king to e7, then it's immediate loss. White captures the pawn with the tempo, and they capture the second pawn and they easily win. So black plays king to d6. It doesn't matter to play to d8 or d6 right now. So white has to give this check. And unfortunately for black, they have to find defense here. Yeah, if they play this way, then white wins. But if they play this move, yeah, which is the main defense for black, then white takes the pawn, queen takes, and it's stalemate. So black saves the game. So this is the idea. So black plays king to d8, and here white plays the move of this study. So if you can take a pause and think. So the right move is bishop to d7. It is twofold. It's makes white to take. If black takes this bishop, then white takes, and there is no stalemate idea anymore. So obviously, the only move black can do is e1 queen, and here white plays bishop to b4, and this position is winning for white. Black has to give up actually a queen here in order to free the king, because there is no way that black can save the position from this mate on d8. So any move basically wins for white. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.